Hi, my name is Troy White. I'm a portfolio manager and financial educator with Hoodoo Financial. Hoodoo Financial is a registered investment advisory, and we specialize in financial literacy, financial planning, and investment management. And what I want to do today is invite you to our free workshop on building real estate investment portfolios. And many people avoid real estate investing because they think it is too difficult and too costly. They think they don't have enough money and to get started. And those same people, though, they wish they were real estate investors, but they just have no idea where to start. You hear a lot of claims about which the magnificent things you can do in real estate investing, but how do you do it? Where do you start? What do you do? And I want to invite you to our workshop because we're going to answer some of those questions. And if you want to invest in real estate, you're going to need to learn, plan, and invest. That means you're going to have to become financially literate, make financial plans, and take actions. And so we're going to cover those aspects in the workshop. We're going to be talking about how to invest in real estate without purchasing property, how to use real estate as part of your retirement planning, and how to invest in income properties, as well as how to use a technology that's real estate investment technology that'll help you find deals, make offers, and even access to funding for those deals. And there are multiple investment strategies and methods, and we'll find the right one that's for you. And the online workshop is free. The Zoom link is somewhere below, but obviously we can't teach you everything you need to know in one workshop. So we have an ongoing real estate investment training program, and that program is $1 for the first month. It's $100 a month, which is cheaper than anyone. I dare you to compare us to any other real estate investment training program that's available. And I am confident that they cannot offer you what we can, because we are going to do financial plans and take action. And so we're going to help you build your real estate investment trust portfolio. We are going to create your financial plan, and we are going to provide you with the financial literacy and the access to the technology that is required to become a real estate investor, starting a real estate investment company, in fact. So like I say, the first month is $1, and it's $100 a month. And if you don't like it after the first month, you only spent $1. So you can cancel right then. So I dare you to compare us to anyone else out there. So click the link below, take a look at our program, join us on the free real estate investment training workshop, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for listening. Holla.